What's the meaning of clock radio? Clock radio. Clock radio.
Clock radio. Clock radio. A clock radio is a type of electronic device that combines a clock with a radio. It typically includes an alarm clock feature and the ability to set an alarm to wake up to music or a radio station. The clock function allows users to set the time, and some models also include additional features such as a sleep timer or automatic time set. Overall, a clock radio is a convenient and versatile device for those who want to wake up to their favorite radio station or music.